Okay, this is my first video, so excuse me if I'm a little nervous. Someone sent me a Master Lock 150. Did not have a key, so I impressioned a key for it. It does work part of the time. So we're going to see how hard this lock is to pick. We're going to use top of the keyway, and we're going to try to Okay, there it is open. That wasn't too bad. Now, if you can see this, we're going to drill the pins or the plugs out for the pins, and we're going to re-pin it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got the lock set up, and we're going to drill the pins just like that. When I get through drilling, I'll be back. Okay, as you see, it has one partially serrated pin in number 1. The other 4 are spools. The bottom pins are all standard. I have drilled the pins from the lock, and now I'm threading all the way down, going to make a practice lock out of it. Okay, that is done. Alright, we're going to put all new pins in this lock. Okay, we're going to put a mushroom, and a serrated pin in each chamber. Just like that. So I'll be back when I get that done. Okay, I'm back. this is what we have finished with the lock. It's got set pins in it where they can be removed and replace one or all of the pins and springs. Also, in every chamber there is a mushroom pin and a serrated pin. All chambers have been threaded, as has the plug been threaded, about 2 threads on the very top of the plug, which will make it much harder to pick. As you can see, the lock still works fine. There's no problem with the lock, but you can see all the set pins. So this just shows you that this lock can be repinned. No problem at all. It just takes a little time. Everything has been threaded for more security. I will not try to pick this at this time on camera. I will try it off camera, and if it can be picked, I will put it back on camera, pick it, and then we will gut it. Thank you for the time. Do not do anything illegal. Goodbye.